Introducing Bowtrol, the all-natural and safe probiotic supplement. Probiotics are bacteria that are found in your digestive tract to absorb nutrients and fight infections. In the past, humans had an abundance of probiotics in our diets. However, today, dangerous food production techniques means most foods actually contain dangerous antibiotics that destroy good bacteria. To restore digestive health, you must replenish the probiotics these killers have destroyed. If you don't, your gut microorganisms will become imbalanced and your digestive system becomes a breeding ground for bad bacteria, viruses and parasites. Why you need Bowtrol. Bowtrol's formula contains 10 billion colony-forming units of good bacteria to balance your gut and immune system to defend against thousands of diseases. These bacteria are responsible for maintaining digestive balance, promoting your immune system, regulating your metabolism and fighting fatigue. Ready to end your digestive problems? Click the link in the description to get your 50% off now.